I will be showing you how to multiply a 3-digit times a 1-digit number using area model and traditional method. First, I will start with area model. I have my two factors, 174 times 5. If you notice my area model down below, it has 3 boxes to represent my 3-digit number. Step 1 is to expand my 3-digit number. 174 in expanded form would be 100 plus 70 plus 4. Now I place that around my area model for multiplying. My other factor is 5. Now I meet my numbers to make a multiplication problem. 100 times 5, 70 times 5, 4 times 5. If you notice, every place value of 174 is being multiplied by 5. I start with 100 times 5. If I cover up my 2 zeros, 5 times 1 is a quick fact, which is 5. And then I multiply that by 100, which means I can put my 2 zeros that I covered up back on my number. If I'm struggling with my multiplication facts, a multiplication chart should be handy. 70 times 5. I can cover up my 0. I know 7 times 5 is 35. I can place my 0 back on the end of my number because I'm multiplying by 10. 70 times 5 is 350. My last product will be 4 times 5, which is 20. Now that I have all of my products, I will add them up to get my final answer. I usually start with the two biggest products. 500 plus 350, 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 0 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8. Now I add back on my 20, 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 2 is 7, 8 plus 0 is 8. So my final product of 174 times 5 is 870. Now I will show you using traditional method. We start off in our ones place. 5 times 4 is 20. I keep the digit in the ones place, which is 0, and carry my tens, which for 20 would be 2 tens. If you notice, I did the same step over here with 4 times 5, 20. Now I'm moving to multiply my 5 by my tens place. So I'm multiplying 5 times 70. So 5 times 7 is 35. Plus 2 is 37. I keep my ones place, and I carry my tens. Now I'm done with this guy. And I'm moving over to my hundreds place. If you notice, we did the same steps. Ones, tens, hundreds. 5 times 100 is 500. Plus 3 is 800. So my final product for 174 times 5 is 870. Now you've seen the side-by-side comparison of multiplying a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number using traditional method and area model.